Don't believe it. Don't believe. Yeah. Wow. Go get him. Go get him, Fox. Go get him, Fox. Go get him, Fox. Go get him. Hello? Hello? Is there anything down there? That's good. A gear! A gear! Pick up the gear! Do the picture! Okay. I like how much stuff to touch. Hello? The fuck is this shit? Oh. Shapes. Why are you waking up? Why are you waking up? It's not that dark. Stop it. Chill out, dude. Chill out, dude. More notes. I don't want to touch the notes. They're gonna make shit happen to me. Okay, fine. Which one do we do first? What? Okay, just read it.
I want to push the tape in hope that he can provide me with sedative to help me
push the tape! Dr. Tate to you. But Mr. Tate, I had no idea. This is where I put stuff, I guess. I'm sure to only discard the ones which are badly damaged to keep the others in the inner study rooms in case all three would crack it. Whoops. We took those. Well, how do I get out? I forgot. Oops. Okay. Well, we didn't do that now, did we? We just took the ones. Took them all. Keep a watch, Barrel. Guard the door. Guard the fucking door. I'm gonna put chest there. Oh! Oh! Shit, that opens. What? Okay, maybe we should just close this, actually. And if he comes after us, then... Oh, is that gonna open too? Okay, I'll move the box. Here. I'm gonna build a fortress, because you know whenever you're doing shit, that's when things happen. Come on, Barrel. Come on. Spin, spin. Alright, Barrel. You're gonna protect me. There you go. Well done. The fuck? Okay. Shut up. Here's the process. Okay. And the finishing touch. Here we'll see Twilight and not what? Where's the light coming from? Hey. Fuck. Alright. Now I feel safe. Feels good. Okay. Okay. Alright. Table? Is that the right table? I'll pick up the table. Ah, I can't pick up the table. Everything but the table. Stop wigging out. It's not that dark. I don't know what the fuck these mean. Go next. Okay. Oh, it's gonna break if it's in the wrong ones, isn't it? Alright. Okay. Stuff's happening, machines are being machines. Alright, let's see. Can we just go to the elevator now? I just did myself. Memento! Did I do it? Did I complete? Alright, book. Distract him! Go box. Barrel. Did I throw that barrel there? I don't know. Ah! Fire! Okay. You're good. You're good. Go! Do a barrel roll. Woo! Hello? 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 No, what is that recording? Ginger! Okay, we're good. We're good. A note! Why is there always notes? No one can get me if I'm serving in boxes like a child. Alright,
17th of July, 18th.
Brother. Bah! 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 Oh, bodies. That's good. That's good. Just some bodies, you know. What is that? What is that? Oh, rods. More rods. Lots of rods. What are you? I don't know how to fix a fucking elevator. Do I lift it? Oh! Okay. More work. What's in there? Hello? Hello? Nothing in the burner! Put a box in the burner. Box in the burner. Oh, unfit. Barrel? Barrel. Barrel. Barrel, you come to use finally. Let us put you in the burner. In the burner. Fuck. What the fuck? I have to really do this. Put a shovel in the burner. Ooh! Oh. With a little amount. Thank you for denying me. Do I get to shovel finally? Shovel, shovel. Shovel, shovel. Box, 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 shovel. Get all this shit. Okay. Come on, shovel. Alright. Let's do this. We can do it. Oh, okay. Wait, like that. Alright, good. That's not working. Well, shit. What about that? Can I pick that up? Yeah. Yeah, buddy. Hello? 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 Okay. Go in there. How much should I put in? A lot? All the coals! All the coals! Look, coal. I swear the sound effects sound like mice clicking. It sounds stupid. I don't like those specific ones. Let's go! Why are we going down the elevator? Who said that would be a good idea? That's the game. Just do what it says. Don't ask questions. Oh, it's not full? I could put more in. Well, can't really say. You know how to work elevators, I guess. Oop. Now we go